What are the best ways to make money online in 2021? Let's go. What's up guys, Kris here, and today's video is the best ways to make money online in 2021. There's 7 of them, and the best we're talking about last. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned and hit that subscribe button, like button, and let's jump right in. Way number 1, content publishing. If you're publishing content, you're not consuming it. You can still consume it to learn, but if you're publishing, you're doing something good for everybody that's watching. Websites, videos, images, regardless of what it is, publish the content, get it out there. You can make videos just like I'm making this video right here. I'm publishing. You can write blogs. You can take other people's articles and rewrite those into your own articles and put your own spin on it. So many different options to content publish. But what happens and what's the best part about this is it stays online and it stays relevant for people to search, unless it's a topic that is not that relevant and is a fad. Watch out for those. What is way number 2? Affiliate marketing. You've heard about this before. Affiliate marketing is great. You don't stock the product. It's somebody else's product. It's another business, and you simply sell it. You get the margin between what you get it for and what you sell it for. That's with all business. You just don't have to worry about all of it. They worry about it. You just got to sell it. Really good way, affiliate marketing. What's number 3? Kind of a similar concept, but drop shipping. You simply drop ship. Alibaba, AliExpress, you've heard of those sites before. You go on, create your own site, market, sell the product, you make the margin, and you don't have to worry about anything but communicating with the purchasers. Okay, that's it, your clients. Communicate with them. Don't focus so much on that, just focus on the mere fact that you don't have to stock those products. You can also start a full-time business, but when you do that, you're stocking the product. You're worried about shipping. You're worried about all this other stuff, okay? Affiliate marketing and drop shipping, not so much. Now, what is number 4? Number 4 is going to be content editing. So many content editing jobs that are out there. Yes, there's a ton. Edit articles. You can edit audio and edit podcasts. Tons of people have podcasts that need editing. Edit those podcasts, edit videos. Lots of videos that need to be edited as well. This video, I need an editor. Holler at me in the comments below. Psych, but kind of serious. Anyways, content editing, that's option number 4. Then you have brokering services, which is number 5. This is kind of the main frame of like what really happens behind scenes. When you're brokering services, there's so many different options. You could start off with something like brand deals for influencers. Influencers need somebody to help broker their deals. They don't want to do that, so you do it and you take a commission off the top. A couple of points, great concept, great idea. Also, agents for professional athletes. Professional athletes don't want to deal with certain communications and business workings. They just want to do what they do. They're an athlete. They're great at what they do, okay? So when you come in and you can broker the brand deals, you can broker certain things like that, you're getting a commission off the top. Agents. So brand deals for influencers, agents for professional athletes, and of course, leads for businesses. You can broker leads for businesses, whether you set your own site up and get the leads, whether you do something else, you can do all of that. You can broker the information and actually get the information to somebody else that pays you for it. Yes, that's the whole concept of brokering. Now, what's number 6? Number 6, the web world. I call it the web world because the web is not going anywhere anytime soon. What do I mean by this? Buy and sell websites, buy and sell domains. Yes, just the domain name itself, you can buy and sell those. Whether you make a website or you buy a website, you can go in and you can buy websites, and that's something that you can do. Also, set the site up, you rank organically, and then sell it. I know a couple people that do this personally, and they make a lot of money doing it. Also, review websites and apps. You can go on and you can actually review the websites and you can review the apps, and this is something that you can do as well. More on this and other videos. Now, last but not least, number 7, which is the best and most lucrative of them all, and I told you that we would get to the best for last. Save it for last. Here is last. But before we do, if you like this video so far, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, show me some love, guys. Now, number 7, what is it? Coaching, consulting, and digital products. You have such a high margin on digital products. You're not shipping. You can consistently refine the product. You can consistently make it better. And more importantly, you're helping other people. That is what the best part about coaching and consulting is all about. You're helping others, and they pay you what price you ask for. And it's got to be reasonable, but even if you and I have the same course, nobody's going to say, hey, your course is less than mine. Why is that? Or your course is more than mine. It's like your digital thumbprint, okay? Digital thumbprint, get that? But you get what I mean. Your course is unique to you, so when you set your price, you command that price. People pay you to get a result from point A to point B. So what are you expertise in? Ask yourself that. Until next video, this is the best ways to make money online in 2021. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this video right here, well, because we're talking about jackpots, baby. All these methods are part of this whole jackpot system. Find the jackpot, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'm Kris. Until next video, I'm out, baby.